Now, as air pollution continues to soar in the national capital, the farm fires resulting from stubble burning in the neighboring states are at an all-time high. The farm fires have contributed 15% to the level of pollutant PM 2.5, despite the city's AQI, that is air quality indicator, marginally improving from poor to high moderate. Now, as per a report by the System of Air Quality and Weather Forecasting and Research, or SAFAR, the fire count in the neighboring states reached 1,234, adding more pollutants to the air. Now, the report also stated that the level of PM10 will also increase due to the local dust emissions. Now, some experts have also predicted that air quality is likely to degrade further as the stubble burning reaches its peak in the end of October and early November. In fact, Prashant Kumar is live with us to give more details in this. So, Prashant, as the winter season beckons, we are seeing a continuous and persistent steep rise in the air pollution level in the national capital. If we talk about today, what can you see around you? What is the condition like when it comes to air pollution? Because the SAFAR report that we just told our viewers about is clearly indicating that farm fires are going to be a major contributor once again to Delhi's pollution woes.
Well, absolutely. In fact, if you talk about Delhi's pollution woes over the years, stubble burning and farm fire has been one of the main reasons, apart from the vehicular pollution, the construction pollution that we have in the national capital. The stubble burning contributes to a huge quantity in that. Now, the fact is, successive governments and successive years have passed, but there has been no solution to this issue. Over the past 2 years, what we have seen is Delhi government trying to, in a way, come up with solutions, installing smog tars and a couple of other things, also bringing in some chemicals to ensure that the stubble is not burned. But the fact is, the neighboring states, according to Delhi, the neighboring states, they are not paying any heed to the crisis here, and that is the reason why Delhiites will once again suffer in the winter season. Remember, last year, immediately close to festive season and immediately after Diwali for that matter, condition was absolutely out of control. We had an emergency-like situation over here in the national capital, and there were tall promises made. There were also hearings in several courts in which the courts had pulled up all the governments over there. Now, despite all the guidelines in place, all the lofty talks and lofty promises, nothing much really has been done on ground, and as a result of which we are once again on the verge of being pushed towards an emergency-like situation in the national capital. Although, as we speak, the air is not that bad because Delhi has seen worst in terms of air quality. But according to the prediction, according to experts, they are saying that as the season will progress, as the day progresses, you will see, in a way, steep rise in pollutants in the air level. So clearly, I mean, this is the situation right now in the national capital. Governments are saying that perhaps we are doing everything possible to ensure we do not repeat what had happened last year. But on ground, if you look at things around you, you will find that nothing really has been done to that extent that it can, actually prevent air from going to a severe level. Now, farm fire is something that is not, even as we speak, that is not stopped in Haryana, Punjab and the pockets of Western UP. That is something that many believe needs to be stopped. But then if that has to happen, you have to have an alternative arrangement of where exactly the crop residues will go. What exactly will the farmers do with it? Because the poor farmers, they do not have any other means to, in a way, take care of the residue over there. And that's the reason why they burn it down. So clearly, the government needs to step in. The agencies need to step in to ensure that stubble burning is stopped. And that is the only reason, that is the only way in which we can ensure that Delhi gets cleaner air this Diwali also. Back to you.
Right. Thank you, Prashant, for sharing all those details. In fact, this is the biggest concern for the national capital. In fact, for the entire NCR region, the farm fires problem continues to bother the people of Delhi and NCR year after year. There are a lot of political talks, a lot of political backlash, a lot of reactions from the people, but never do anyone try to find a solution and end this menace forever.